Hi everyone! Welcome to the Finding Dory game. It's me, Ellie Sparkles. It's time to spin the wheel again, and this time we have all our favorite characters from the Disney Pixar movie, Finding Dory. We have Dory, Hank the octopus, Nemo from Finding Nemo, Destiny the whale shark, Squirt the sea turtle, and a special mystery character. Who do you think the mystery character is? I'll give you a few hints. The mystery character isn't a fish, but he loves to swim and his favorite color is orange. I'll give you more hints about the mystery character later in the video, and we'll see if you can guess who it is. Are you ready to spin the wheel with me and find the surprises hidden under the Finding Dory characters? Let's go! Nice, the wheel is spinning! And it's so fast! I wonder which Finding Dory character it will land on first. And it's Dory! Okay, Finding Dory fans, what is your favorite fish? A dolphin? Octopus? Shark? Let me know in the comments! Okay, Dory, let's see what's hidden underneath your circle. 1, 2, 3. Is there anything in here? Oh, cool! It's a bunch of red candy fish! These fish candies are so yummy! And there are so many of them! Let's see if there's anything under the candy. Oh, wow! It's a superhero surprise box! I wonder which superhero toy we'll get. We got Aquaman! Aquaman is a superhero who loves the water, just like Dory and Nemo. I like Aquaman's yellow and green uniform. This toy is cool because it's also a keychain. Let's see if there's anything else under the fish candies. Nice! It's our friend Dory. Dory has really big fish eyes, and she has black stripes and a yellow tail. This toy is really cool because when you put her in water, she swims like a real fish. Let's try it. We have our fish bowl filled with water. And now let's put Dory inside. Okay, Dory, show us how you can swim. Awesome! Dory is swimming! And she's so fast! Look at Dory go! Doesn't this look like a real pet fish? Awesome! Is there anything else inside this Dory circle? Nope, I think that's it. Now let's spin the wheel again to see who the next character is. There it goes! It's spinning so fast! And it's Destiny! Destiny is a whale shark. Did you know that whale sharks are the biggest fish in the ocean? That means Destiny is really, really big! Okay, now let's see what's inside. I feel something sticky. Oh no! We got slimed by Destiny! And it's blue slime. It's so sticky. Did Destiny leave us anything besides the icky blue slime? It's Bailey! Bailey is a beluga whale and he has a sleepy face. The cool part about this toy is when you pull the string under Bailey's belly, his tail and feet start moving, like this. They move so fast! Now let's try it in the water. First, let's pull the string. And let it go. Wow, look at Bailey! He's moving his tail and fins super fast. He makes big splashes when he swims. That was really cool! Let's spin the wheel again. Who do you think you will land on next? Is it gonna be Hank? The mystery character? The wheel landed on Nemo! Yay! Nemo is Dory's best friend and he helps Dory find her parents in Finding Dory. Nemo is such a good friend! Wow, Nemo's circle is filled with shiny gold coins, just like a buried pirate treasure chest. Awesome! Let's check what's under the coins. I can't find anything. Oh wait, I got it. It's a Nemo toy. Nemo is an orange clownfish. I love his bright color. Wow, look at Nemo's tail moving. He must swim really fast. Now let's put this Nemo toy into the water and see how he swims. Are you ready, Nemo? There he goes. Wow, Nemo is going back and forth. He looks like he's hungry and looking for food. Dory says she wants to join Nemo too. Go, Dory! Dory is chasing Nemo. This is so much fun. It's time to spin the wheel again. And stop! Awesome! It finally landed on the mystery character. Now I'll give you one more hint. We already know that the mystery character loves to swim and his favorite color is orange. The mystery character isn't a fish, he's a dog. Now do you know who it is? It's Zuma from Paw Patrol. Did you guess it right? Now let's poke a hole. 1, 2, 3. Oh no, we got slimed by Zuma. It's filled with pink slime. There's so much slime in here and it's super sticky. Let's see what's inside the pink slime. Oh, nice! We found a Kinder Surprise egg. Let's open it up. This is the yummy chocolate half. And here is a toy. Here is the Kinder Flyer. And we have so many pieces here. First, let's put the stickers onto the crayon. We also have these cute little pictures. Let's put them onto the keychain. You can color the pictures using this crayon. That's a cute little toy. Now let's see if there's anything else left inside the pink slime. Cool! We found an Avengers surprise egg. Let's open it up and see which superhero we have inside. Awesome! It's Captain America. Captain America is wearing a red and blue costume and he's holding a big shield. He looks super strong. Let's check the pink slime one more time. I think that's all the surprises that Zuma left for us, so let's go ahead and spin the wheel again. Wow, that is a big spin. I wonder which Finding Dory character it will land on. It's Hank the octopus. An octopus has 8 arms that it uses to swim and hold on to food and rocks. That's a lot of arms. Oh, not again! We got slimed again! And this time it's icky green slime. This is the 3rd time we got slimed. Fish must really like to play with slime. Okay, now let's find the surprise toys under the green slime. Wow, it's a Hank toy! Awesome! Hank doesn't look happy with all the green slime stuck on him. Let me clean it off. Cool! You can pull out the string for this toy too. When you release it, Hank's octopus arms move, like this. This is gonna be so much fun. Let's try him in the water. He looks so silly when he swims. Now he's slowing down. I think he got tired from swimming. Let's give the big wheel another spin. Wow, look how fast it's spinning. It's starting to slow down. It's Squirt. Squirt is a playful sea turtle who likes adventures. He always looks so happy. 1, 2, 3. I wonder what surprises are under Squirt. Wow, Squirt left us colorful fish crackers. These fish snacks look so yummy. And inside the yummy fish snacks, we found a Finding Dory blind bag. Let's see which character we get. It's Becky. Becky is a loon bird who is friends with Dory. Becky looks so funny here. And she likes to do really silly things. Bye, Becky. What else is inside? Oh, I found something big! This is Vashti from the Lion Guard on Disney Junior. She's a hippo and she's friends with Kion. I like Vashti's blue eyes. And her little tail looks so cute. Hippos like the water, but this toy can't swim. Wouldn't it be funny to see Vashti swim in the fishbowl with Dory and Nemo? Is there anything else hidden inside the snacks? Nope, I think it's empty. I had so much fun in this Finding Dory game. We found red fish candy in Dory, green slime in Hank, gold coins in Nemo, blue slime in Destiny, fish-shaped snacks in Squirt, and pink slime in our mystery character Zuma. Give me a big thumbs up if you enjoy watching this video. Let me know in the comments which TV show or movie you want to see next time. Thanks for watching. This is Ellie Sparkles. Bye!